Active and passive voice. In this module, you'll learn about active voice and passive voice. Voice refers to the form of the verb that indicates whether the doer of an action is the subject or object in a sentence. The voice is either active when the subject is the agent, or doer of an action, or passive when the subject is being acted upon or is affected by the action denoted by the verb in a sentence. Take a look at this picture. What is the boy doing? He is kicking the ball. Now in this sentence, the boy is kicking the ball. The boy is the subject, is kicking is the verb, and the ball is the object. The boy, that is the subject, is actually doing the action of kicking, and as the emphasis is on the doer of the action in the sentence, the verb is said to be in active voice. However, if the subject of a sentence receives the action denoted by the verb, the sentence is said to be in passive voice. For instance, if we say, the ball is being kicked by the boy. Here the ball is the subject, is being kicked is the verb, by is the preposition used, and the boy is the object. Now the subject is the ball, and it is the receiver of the action. Here the subject is being acted upon. Hence, this sentence is said to be in passive voice. Has someone seen the postman? It's in active voice. Has the postman been seen by someone? Is in passive voice. But both these sentences mean the same. The carpenter repaired the table. The table was repaired by the carpenter. Similarly, Samir opened the door can also be said as the door was opened by Samir. Now let's recall what you've learned. Voice is of two kinds, active and passive. The sentence is said to be in active voice when the subject is the doer of the action, and it is in passive voice when the subject is being acted upon or is the receiver of the action. When we change a sentence from active to passive, the following changes take place. Object becomes subject, subject becomes object, the verb takes the form of be plus past participle, and the preposition by is used after the passive verb to mention the doer of the action in the passive voice sentence. In active voice, when the subject is unknown, we can omit the object when the sentence gets transformed into passive voice.